Okay, let's play a little bit with rhythm. If you repeat notes or if you just change the rhythm a little bit, it can make things sound much, much more interesting and you can bring out what you want to hear. We'll look at number 96. Dearest children, God is near you. Here is the opening phrase, how it normally is. Okay, shape the phrase a little bit. I don't know if that'll come through on the recording. But what if we repeat notes a little bit? So that's a very, very steady pulse that I'm doing with those repeated notes. What if instead I wanted to change the rhythmic pulse instead of this very, very steady 1, 2, 3? What if I wanted a dotted rhythm? And so on. Again, a mistake, and I'm going to embrace it. That's great. It was from a different chord is what was happening. We could change the rhythm of the melody instead of the left hand. And I did change the rhythm of the melody a little bit in the last one, kind of to go with the left hand. You wouldn't have to. I could have done. That would have been just fine. But let's just change the melody of the right hand. Sorry. Playing in my left hand there, but that's okay. I would probably iron that out a little bit as I went along. You can take that, use those rhythmic, we won't use the formal terms. You know, you're putting off the beat a little more than you otherwise would. That will put the emphasis somewhere different. Make sure that you don't ever put that in the middle of a word, you know. If I was doing dearest children was normal, I would not go dear est child because est is part of the word dear, right? We wouldn't want to actually split those up. Or and delight to own and bless you. Here's the normal and delights. We wouldn't want to go and delights too. That doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Even though it does still keep the emphasis on the strong part of the word. Experiment a lot with this. Don't be afraid to do this. This is something that people are sometimes scared to do, but if you're just playing for fun on your own, it's very easy to do. It goes right along with the rubato and the alla piacere that we talked about before.